G'day cocktail lovers. For those who don't know, this is not actually my original YouTube channel. I started a channel way back in the early days that was called Angry Aussie, which is why this is called Angry Cocktails. Me thinking I had a brand, I guess. And that was me doing humour and bringing in a bunch of politics. And basically it was me shouting and swearing a lot. There was an audience for it, but I haven't been doing that seriously for quite a while. And like a bunch of other people, I decided to start a cocktail channel during COVID, and here we are. The other channel still exists and I use it for live streaming. I started doing that during COVID when we were all isolated and going a bit out of our minds. I thought we should just hang. Anyone who just wants to hang and chill, I'll do live streams and we'll do that. And I continue to do that, and these videos are usually shot during one of my live streams, as this one is being done. On a recent live stream, I was making a Vieux Carre because it's just one of my favorite drinks and I haven't made one for a while. And one of the viewers who also watches the cocktail channel said, hey, you remember you also did a version of this with rum? I tried that, that was good. And I went, yeah, that was good. Oh, surely we could do it with another spirit. And tequila sprang immediately to mind. I did a test one and it was pretty good. I think I can do a little bit of improvement, which is what I'll be doing here. Traditionally, a Vieux Carre is 30 mils of rye, 30 mils of cognac, 30 mils of sweet vermouth, about 10 mils of some Benedictine, and bitters thrown in for good measure. Of course, New Orleans' own Peychaud's bitters goes in there, and a little bit of Angostura as well. The Pré du Quai variation puts rum in place of the cognac, and I decided, well, I'm gonna go with tequila, and I thought tequila would be better subbing out the whiskey. I think we'll keep the cognac in there and we'll put the tequila in. I tried it and it was yummy. In fact, I tried one that had tequila and mezcal. That was good. That isn't what I'm going to do here. Tequila is going to replace the whiskey in this drink, and I haven't decided whether reposado or añejo would be the best option. I ruled out blanco or silver tequila, and so you know what? I'm going to make two, one of each, one with reposado tequila, one with añejo. Actually, I'm going to make half-sized ones because I don't intend on getting wasted tonight. You want to see me get wasted, you want to see one of the Friday night live streams. Because I'm making half sizes of this drink, it's going like this. In a mixing glass, I'm putting half an ounce or 15 mils of tequila, then half an ounce or 15 mils of cognac, half an ounce or 15 mils of sweet vermouth, about 5 mils or a bar spoon of Benedictine, and then 1 dash of Peychaud's bitters and a light dash of Angostura bitters as well. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a chilled glass. I've made the drink twice, once with añejo tequila, once with reposado tequila. This is not normally how I would serve a Vieux Carre or something similar. In fact, translating to Spanish, Vieux Carre in English is Old Square. It's a reference to an area in New Orleans. So if we travel a bit south, well, I guess it's southwest of New Orleans to get to Mexico. The translation is Plaza Vieja. Again, both for the French and Spanish. Apology for terrible pronunciation, I am sure. But I like that as a name, actually. Plaza Vieja. Time for the taste test, where we see if I can actually tell the difference between añejo and reposado in a cocktail. This is the añejo tequila. It's a really good drink. And now trying it with reposado. Ooh, there might be the subtlest of difference. I honestly don't think I have the best palate in the world, but it certainly works as a variation. You're getting that little bit of earthiness from the tequila. It's a different vibe to whiskey, and it is still balancing with the others. I'm going to have one more go to see if I can get any appreciable difference. I feel like there's a tiny, subtle difference between the two, and I can't really put words on it. Maybe I'm feeling the elements of the sweet vermouth come through a bit more in the reposado tequila. There's something subtly different anyway. So my take is, if you wanted to try this, do the tequila of your choice. I guess also if you wanted to try blanco tequila, go for that as well. But it's great, the whole Mr. Potato Head thing. Get an established, successful cocktail recipe, take out one of the elements and put something else in, see if it works. I personally think this does. I might kick back with my two little Viejo, no, Plaza Vieja. I do not speak the Espanol. I'm just struggling with Google Translate as my assistant. So I'm going to sit down with these two. I thoroughly recommend you give it a try, actually. If you like a Vieux Carre, give it a go because it's a subtle but interesting difference on that. But oh look, I feel like I haven't been double fisting in a video for a while, so sign off with the classic I'm a bad boy double fisting and hope to see you again sometime soon. But until then, I will say, cheers.